Welcome to homework.
So we have to find out the pH of a 0.0111 mole of a sodium hydroxide. And also we have to comment whether the solution will be basic, neutral, or acidic. So first of all, because we have a base, so we know that the solution should be basic. Okay, so we have to find the pH of sodium hydroxide, but pH equals to the negative log of concentration of hydronium. But when we're actually looking at the chemical species, we have the base we have is sodium hydroxide, and when you go into dissociating water to form sodium ion and hydroxide ion. All right, so how to find out the pH or the hydronium concentration? Uh, so before we do anything, I would also record the relationship between pH and pOH. So pH plus pOH should be equals to pKW equals to 14. If we can find out pOH, then pH will be equals to 14 minus pOH. All right, so let's find out pOH. pOH will be essentially the log concentration of our hydroxide concentration. So what is the concentration of hydroxide? So because we have a 0.0111 molar of some hydroxide, and it can go into 1-to-1 molar ratio to form one hydroxide will have one hydroxide ion. So this is essentially the hydroxide concentration. So for pOH, we are going to take negative log of the hydroxide concentration. So pOH equals to negative log of our hydroxide concentration. It will be equals to 0.0111. Take the left log of that, and then we will have 1.955. 1.955. So pH will be equals to 14 minus 1.955. 14 minus 1.955, and then we should have roughly around 12. Roughly around 12. Okay, so the second part of the question is we're finding the pOH of 1.35 times 10 to the 3 molar of hydrochloric acid. So because we are hydrochloric acid, this should be an acidic solution. And then the dissociation formula is we have one hydrochloric acid with water, and they will form one hydronium and also one chloride. And you can see that is 1-to-1 ratio. So we have the concentration of our hydronium as well. Again, pOH, if we refer back to our relationship with speed plus pOH equals to 14, so pOH should be also equals to 14 minus pH. pOH also equals to 14 minus pH. So we just take 14 minus the left log of 1.35 times 10 to the 3. And then we should, so we have 14 minus 1. So let's do the mathematics. And we should have roughly 2.87. So we will have 11, roughly around 11 for